inch Lumachrome. I'll show you, I'll pull out. Sorry about the glare. I have a window over here. But anyways, look at the detail, okay? A perfect grass. Well, it's not grass, it's those flowers. I forgot what we call them. But anyways, so look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I gotta get out, I gotta pull way back. Look at this, look at this. Look at the detail. I know it's video, but look at that. So, I should put myself here, but this is I mean, far wider than I can reach. It's probably about 80 to 90 inches. This was shot off of about 1.5 megapixels. This is in Robert's home. I'm doing your work right now in this room. That's what the world famous best fine art printmaker has in his home. 1.5 megapixels. It's unbelievable, but trust me, this did not take a day. This this took a while, right? It's phenomenal.